Hey, I just thought I'd make a video on my entry for the 2019 Retreat from Moscow Lemons Rally. I've had a lot of questions about exactly what I did to the car as far as lift. So basically, it is a 3-inch Lift-A-Brand lift and 16-inch Ford Ranger wheels with 245 75 16s. There was some trimming involved, a fair bit on this side, as you can see, or kind of see. It's pretty tight. I will, in a parking lot, it'll rub at full turn, but not too bad. On the rear, there's no trimming. It all bolted up. Shocks came with the kit. You can get the kit for coil or airbag. This had airbags. I switched to coil when I did the lift, just because the bags were pretty dry rotted once I started looking at them. I thought it might just be more reliable with springs, so I used Moog springs. I don't know. I'll see if I get the part number. Cargo coils or something. So that's about it. Yeah, really happy with the rims. The wheels have a nice offset. I think they're just perfect, really. And the tires worked out pretty well. Just a few more pics. Now on this side, I didn't really have to trim as much because there seems to be more rust. Looks like the bottom of the rocker panel is rusted out a little bit, so less to trim. So that worked out. Let's have a cheap Amazon light bar. Just attaches to the license plate mounting holes. Pretty quick and painless install. I'll show you inside. So these are really comfortable car. Car has 547,000 kilometers, which is about 340,000 miles, and it runs really well. Have a scan gauge going here to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on stuff. So, and this thing just happened. I don't know what the hell this is about. This fell off the back of the mirror. Sensor for maybe light or something. I don't know, I just noticed it yesterday dangling there. I'll have to check that out. The car's falling apart. But like I said, with 340,000 miles, I mean, it still runs really well. So, anyway, I'll just finish up with a walk around, and that's about it. If there's any questions, just put them in the comments. Like I said, I'll try to put a list of the part numbers for everything I used. But just one last thing on that rear suspension. If you do want to lift it like this, and you have I guess a Grand Marquis or a Lincoln that has airbags, they do sell a kit for airbags, so you can keep that. Like I said, I just wanted to switch over at that point to coil. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for checking it out.